Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Kim Russell Lapena, 36 years old. I am a single mother. I have one son, aged 14 years old. My relevant experience here in the Philippines was in the year 2018 to 2019, where I was work in a couple with a newborn baby. My daily duties and responsibilities are taking care of the baby, breastfeed the baby, feeding the baby, bathing the baby. And when the couples are out for work, I'll make sure the safety of the baby. And if I have free time, I do cooking and cleaning the household chores. My other experience here in the Philippines was in the year 2021 to 2023, wherein I work in a family with a member of two, age 72 and 36. My daily duties and responsibilities are taking care of the elderly person, accompanied her in the toilet, and accompanied her and taking her outside for a walk, and I also apply physical therapy. If I have free time, I also do cooking and cleaning the household chores. If selected, I promise I will do my best to serve my employer. Thank you.